On y va, c'est parti.
And I got a big head, I'm blessed.
Hello beauty queens and beauty kings. This is Labeautyqueenana and I hope you guys are doing wonderful today. And today I'm bringing you my newer ring light unboxing. The setting is going to be in portrait mode, but just bear with me because that's the only background that I saw that was clear. But right now I am filming with the ring light on its lowest setting, and I don't know, I haven't figured out the best setting yet, but let me know in the down bar what you guys think about this. But I am loving the ring light so far, and I just want to share that with you guys. So if you want to know more about this ring light and what I think and my first impression in 2018, please stay tuned. If you are new, welcome back. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you are an OG, a returner, I want to say thank you so much for the ongoing and continuous support. As you guys know, I briefly introduced myself in French as well, so the timestamp will be on screen and you can skip right to the unboxing and I'll meet you guys right there. Donc voilà, salut à tous, salut les beauty kings et beauty queens. Je suis la Beautykeenana. Sur ma chaîne, quand je trouve les deals, je vous montre rapidement. Là aujourd'hui, je filme avec ma nouvelle lampe là, ça vient de la compagnie Neewer. J'ai trouvé ça sur Amazon et c'était très bon, à très bon prix. Donc je voulais vous montrer juste à quoi ça ressemble et tout. Donc j'aurai la vidéo tout à l'heure qui va vous montrer comment je fais le unboxing et comment je monte la lumière et tout et ce que je pense quoi. Donc voilà. Dites-moi si ça c'est un peu plus clair, si c'est un peu plus mieux ou bien si je dois encore ajuster. Donc je vais trouver un setting qui va bien marcher dans le futur, mais pour le moment, patientez un peu, je vais m'améliorer. Donc et aussi j'ai pris ce qu'on appelle le diffuser, mais c'est juste une couverture qu'on met sur la lampe juste pour diminuer un peu la lumière parce que des fois c'est un peu trop éclaircissant. Quand tu montes les produits de beauté sur la caméra, ça peut un peu déranger. Donc voilà, je vais vous montrer ce que j'ai payé. J'ai payé ça à part. Ça a coûté environ $15. Je vais mettre les prix là. Et c'est un accessoire. Comme vous savez, cette lampe-ci vient avec les accessoires, mais on doit payer ça à part. Donc si vous désirez d'autres accessoires, un miroir ou je sais pas quoi, ça vient avec tout, mais c'est à part. Ok, donc voilà, je vous montre le diffuser. Là le diffuser est venu dans un petit carton comme ça. Et là c'est blanc et c'est tout, hein. Tu habilles la lampe avec, voilà, c'est tout. Si vous avez eu à utiliser cette lampe là de la marque Neewer sur Amazon, veuillez me faire les commentaires sous la barre d'infos, ou bien si dans le futur vous désirez de le faire, revenez faire les commentaires sous la barre d'infos. Je serais très ravie de savoir. Ou bien si vous avez d'autres lampes à nous recommander, nous serons très ravis de savoir. Merci encore toujours pour votre soutien. N'oubliez pas de liker, partager, revenez voir mes vidéos récentes, commenter bien sûr et prier le bon Dieu bien sûr. Et on se voit à la prochaine. Merci encore et bye bye. So like I was saying, it's a great deal that I found on Amazon. You guys know that this newer light was very popular on YouTube for the past 2 years, and I finally got my hands on it because I finally decided that I wanted to upgrade. Like I said, I'm filming with the light on the lowest setting right now, and I'm still trying to figure things out. Let me know how this looks, but I'm going to be improving as I learn more, as I figure out different setups and stuff like that. And it was very affordable, under $100. I think it was $95. I think it's really good. I took like a year and a half researching different ring lights to make sure it's in my budget and that it's gonna work until I can figure other things out, and I think this is good so far. The only thing I didn't like is that it didn't come with a cover on the lamp, but again, I showed you guys that I got the Neewer ring light diffuser. It's just this cover right here that you just put on the lamp just to tone it down a little bit because the light can be a little bit bright. And yes, so that is all. I'm going to show you bits and pieces of clips here of how of the unboxing clips and setup and everything right after this. It's not as clear, but just bear with me because that was the only setup I could find that will be very open and clear with nothing in the way. Let me know if you guys have tried this or if you will in the future. I'm so excited about it. It's so big. I'm very impressed with it. Oh my god, the lighting is amazing and I was so impressed. The only thing that I didn't like is that it didn't come with a cover on the lamp. Even without that, it does the job. So far for a first impression, I'm recommending it. So we'll see how it does in the future. So I'm gonna just turn on the highest setting right now, and so let's see how it does. that is the highest setting. So as you can see, it washes you out a little bit, so that is pretty darn bright. It actually hurts my eyes, so I'm gonna tone it back down now. So this is toned down a little to like the first level. So it's a little knob at the back that you just twist as you go to find the intensity that you want. And now I'm going to turn it off so you can see where I'm filming and how it changes the game. And that is the light off. As you can see, it's a little bit yellow in here. So yeah, so I hope that helps you get a better perspective on whether or not you need a ring light in 2018 or not, or if you should just invest in a camera and use daylight for filming. I personally cannot use daylights because I always film when it's dark at night or really early in the morning, so that's why I had to opt for a ring light. But so that's all. Alright guys, I know the lighting is bad, but we're just gonna quickly show you the ring light right now so you guys can see what it looks like. Literally guys, it's this huge box. Like I can't even like centralize it. I just got it from Amazon like last night, and it's the Neewer light. It's been so popular here on YouTube, and I'm going to test it out and see if it's still relevant in 2018. So, and it was very affordable. Came very nicely wrapped. Oh, it's not as big as the box. It's just a box in a box. So there we go. Boom. Is there anything else in here? Yes. So the heavy part of it is actually the stand, and that came separately. All right, so I'm just gonna put this together. Straight out of the box, it looks like it's already kind of put together, so it should be easy to assemble. It looks like this can go up all the way. This, wow, that's pretty tall. So that's pretty cool. I like that. You just screw that once you get the height that you want. I think here is about okay, and then the bottom legs, I think here you can also adjust. You can also adjust right here for the height as well. This comes very protected. So this is the actual case where the light is inside, and then to protect it even more, which is amazing. And you have your instructions, which is really good. Okay, so you have to unscrew this to be able to extend the legs and open them. And once you extend them, you have to tighten it back up so that it doesn't fall, because this almost fell on me. And ta-da, this is the actual lighting, and it comes with a plug, and of course you need the cover, which I cannot see, but I'm just gonna screw this in here. This is actually really big, so you have to unscrew this part in here before you settle it on the stand. Now I have the ring light on, but it's not really directly facing me, it's on the side, and that's the lowest setting. And as you can see, it is pretty bright, but I'm just concerned. Alright guys, so if you guys see right here, there's no cover. Like, I'm not sure if this is how it's supposed to be, but that's one thing that you might want to consider. I am going to email the company and just ask, but guys, it's so big, it's so gigantic. The height is whoa, the lighting is whoa. So far it's very easy to put together. It took me like literally 1 minute to put together. It was pretty much all set, you know. I like it a lot. I would recommend it. For the price, I'll have the link down below. I think it's amazing. I definitely recommend it if you are looking for something. I've been wanting one for a while. I researched so hard. Like, this is going to be my baby for now. Without the cover, it does its job. You don't need it. Maybe it's supposed to be like that because no one really talked about it in the videos. So just in case, I got the Neewer diffuser cover, and that is meant for that. It's still from the company, and I'll show you guys a close-up once I switch this to landscape. But yeah, so that is my unboxing for the Neewer ring light in 2018. Very affordable, cost me about $95, and this I think was like $16 or $15. But I'll list all the prices on screen or down below in the down bar, as well as the links, just so you guys can have that. So let's get back into the landscape mode. So that's all. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and always praise God and watch my recent and past uploads. Of course, come back with a friend, share my video with a friend or a loved one or a family member. I'm sure they will find something they can relate to on my channel. So again, I will see you guys next time. Mwah, ciao, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.